Late na tayo, pre. Bilis na natin. Tara, kapit tayo.
Ayoko pre, may ginagawa pa ako.
Game ka, pre.
Tara. Basta tayo.
Hindi kasi tumitingin sa daanan eh.
Sungit-sungit naman nun. Kaya nga eh.
Okay guys, we have a new classmate. Please introduce yourself.
So, good afternoon everyone. My name is Andrea and I'm 17 years old and I'm from South Saturday.
Why are you late? Wait, break. Class na lang. Take your seat. Miss Andrea, say something in your introducing yourself.
So, as I was saying, I'm 17 years old from South Saturday Summer. That's city of St.
Okay, understand.
Uy, pre, kasa mo pumunta doon.
Kapag ka masundin. Okay, Ani. Okay, class dismissed. Yeah, Sandra, go out. Goodbye na.
Dong na!
Andrea, busy ka ba? Tara, set ko tayo. Tara.
From dati yon, hindi muling napakita si Andrea. Umasa si Ronel na makikita niya pa uli si Andrea pero wala na si Andrea.
Wanna lay down by the fire with you. Your souls are glowing, every warm or two. Love surrounds me like a lullaby, singing softly, you are mine, oh mine. Ooh, it's never glowed this color. Hearts have never been this
Hindi ka na maling naparamdam. Hindi na kita makikita. Hindi ko na maling masusulyapan ang mga mapupungay mong mga mata. Pati yung mga magandang mga ngiti. Nabalitaan kong lumipat ka na ng ibang school. Ni text, tawag, post mo wala. As in nothing. I wish I could turn back the time. Sana nasabi ko lang yung feelings ko para sa'yo. What if I've told you that I've fallen?
What if I told you that I've fallen? And I like the way you say my name.